Welcome to this video on breaking down requirements. After watching this video, you will be able to explain key Agile requirement artifacts, including themes, initiatives, epics, user stories, and scenarios. You will also be able to describe the product owner's role in collecting and translating requirements. Imagine you need to plan an annual conference and offsite. The first step is to decide on the type of event, such as a formal event or semi-casual gathering. Next, you would choose the venue and decide on the list of attendees. Then, you need to decide on the vendors, like a caterer, and any other logistics requirements based on the number of participants. Each step builds on the last, ensuring that all aspects of the event come together. Similarly, in Agile planning, you start with a high-level vision and break it down into key areas like features, tasks, and specific actions to ensure everything aligns and moves towards a successful outcome. Let's learn about these groupings that help organizations reinforce their Agile focus. Themes are the highest level of Agile planning and are often equated to a company's annual vision, mission, goals, and objectives, or VMGO. They serve as guiding principles for all lower efforts, helping focus the company's resources on achieving a common objective. These broad and organization-wide themes provide a high-level direction without focusing on specific tasks or teams. For example, a hospitality company might have a theme like customer satisfaction. When the VMGO is unclear or detailed, additional refinement may be needed to connect it with the company's Agile development efforts. Every theme is divided into multiple initiatives. These include related projects or efforts focused on a specific business goal or product category. Initiatives act as the bridge between broad themes and Agile development work. For example, a theme like customer experience may be broken down into initiatives such as improving website user experience, enhancing customer retention, and so on. These initiatives align the team's efforts with the company's larger goals, guiding Agile teams toward delivering value that directly contributes to the business's objectives. Initiatives are broken down into epics, smaller, focused work units representing related features or functionality. Epics are delivered over multiple releases by one or more Agile teams. For example, an initiative like improving website user experience might include epics like redesigning the homepage and enhancing mobile navigation. User stories focus on a specific task, representing the end user's perspective. For example, the shopper's user story might be, "As a shopper, I want to add items to my cart to purchase them later." In this case, the shopper is the user, the action is adding items to the cart, and the desired result is purchasing them later. This format can also be applied to other roles, such as a customer, I want to track my order so I can know when it will arrive. It's a simple and effective way to define product functions. Scenarios provide context for how a user will interact with a feature or system, describing the process and possible outcomes. It's broader than a user story and outlines different actions or exceptions. For example, a scenario for adding items to a cart could describe the shopper's journey, including handling out-of-stock items. Technically, tasks are not a requirement category, but they show how all requirements are converted into value for the customer. Tasks are the actions Scrum team members perform to turn prioritized requirements into functioning features of the application or system. For example, a task could be design the login page UI or write unit tests for the checkout process. These tasks help break down the work needed to implement user stories. These artifacts, categories, and types are presented as separate and distinct. However, it should be noted that many Agile organizations do not use all of them. Some also use super epics, which may resemble themes and initiatives. A super epic is a high-level grouping of epics representing a major initiative or goal. Next, let's learn about the product owner's role in breaking down requirements. The product owner collaborates with the Scrum team, focusing on breaking down initiatives into smaller tasks, like epics or user stories. They understand the needs of stakeholders, including sponsors and users, and translate them into user stories for the DevOps team. The product owner typically helps convert epics into user stories. and may be involved from the beginning, helping shape themes and initiatives. Scenarios play a key role by providing context, helping the DevOps team understand how a feature benefits users and ensuring they build valuable, user-focused features. In this video, you'll learn that themes are high-level goals that provide overall direction for agile efforts. Initiatives align with business priorities and break themes into actionable steps. Epics represent key features or functionality within initiatives. User stories focus on specific tasks from the end user's perspective. Scenarios provide context for user interaction with features detailing different actions and outcomes. Tasks are the team's actions to turn user stories into working features. Finally, product owners break down initiatives into user stories and ensure they align with business goals to add user value.